With wailing and muffled cries, overwhelming grief and seething anger, friends and loved ones brought Jemboy Baltazar to his final resting place. The 17-year-old shot and killed by policemen supposedly by mistake was buried at around 5 p.m. at the La Loma Catholic Cemetery in Caloocan. It wasn't just friends and family who were there. Even strangers came to demand justice for Jemboy. This wasn't the first time people, including minors, died at the hands of the police. Caloocan Bishop Pablo Virgilio David made sure to emphasize that in his homily.
Mga kapatid na pulis, hindi kayo ang batas. Mga alagad lang kayo ng batas. Hindi kayo inatasan, binihisan ng uniforme, inarmasan at binabayaran mula sa buwis ng bayan para pumatay, kundi para magsilbi bilang aming mga tagapagtanggol, tagapag-ingat at tagapagligtas ng buhay ng mga mamamayan.
Jemboy's mother, Rodaliza Baltazar, is not convinced that cops killed her son by mistake.
Paano po magiging aksidente? Kaliwa-liwanag po alauna ng tanghali. Ano yun, yung malabo yung mata nila?
Rodaliza also says the policemen involved in the operation did apologize to her, but she says their words did not sound sincere.
Sa dami niya po, 30 katao kayo. Dalawa lang po sila sa bangka. Pero isa lang po ang naano niya, yung anak ko. Pinagtulong-tulungan niya siya. Hindi po yun tama.
Jemboy's mother hopes superiors of her son's killers will also be held accountable. Kari Kator, CNN Philippines.